The video doorbell showed someone leaving my house while I was inside. It pinged at 2:13 a.m. Half asleep, I checked the notification. A figure walked out the front door, their back to the camera. I froze. I hadn't let anyone in. I was alone, wasn't I? Rewinding the footage, I watched them again. The way they moved was familiar. The jacket, the shoes. It was me. But I was sitting on the couch, holding my phone. Heart pounding, I glanced at the hallway. The front door creaked open. Footsteps echoed softly behind me. Guess I forgot something, a voice whispered in my ear.